Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is 13 days of Halloween inspiration, where I am showing you 13 different styles and types of mini albums, hoping that you may have the paper and be inspired to make something with that paper. So this one was mostly from a Doodlebug collection, and this is a folio. It's got these Tim Holtz, I don't know what they're called, but it holds my little elastic, and I will open it with the elastic, and then there are magnets holding it together. So I'll take you to this side first, and this is a small waterfall with 4x6 cut aparts, and that will open up for much room to put your Halloween Instax or photos. You know, whether you have the Instax camera or this 4x6 photos that you put 2 on a page, you know, usually some form of collaging app, and you can put 2 on a page. So on this side there are tags, and this is a great place to journal on. So obviously you would journal on here with a black pen, but this one you could use a white gel pen and journal on that. So this is very obvious where you're going to put the photo. It is open on the bottom, so your photo can go right there. But with this kind of paper piecing, then it's obvious and you can see where to put the photos. So if you haven't used a mini album, or you're giving this as a gift, it's perfect. And this was from one of the cut aparts. This is an accordion folder, and it allows you lots of room to put in photos, memorabilia, old candy wrappers, and not with candy on them because you don't want anything to happen, but you know, all the Halloween stuff that you may have collected through the ages. And just love the colors on this. So that closes with this library style closure and this really pretty green string. So again, there's room here to put a photo that is open on there, so your photo can go front and center. And then this will also open this way. Room to put your picture stuck in there. Room to journal if you wanted to. You could put 4 small photos here. I love this door page, love the colors. I mean, this is an older collection, I'm sure you recognize. Room for a landscape photo. So you could put a photo there and still have some of the photo covered, but you still can see what's going on. And then you could journal up at the top there. And then that opens up for you to put photo and or journaling. And the same with that. This is a bigger photo mat because it goes all the way down to the bottom. And then room to journal here, and this is a pocket so you could stick photos in there. And then this waterfall gives you lots of room to put your photos. You could cover that front if you wanted to, or leave that blank and just put your photos on the corresponding pages. Nice bright colors, so once you do cover them with a photo, it's still bright and cheerful and lots of fun. So this closes like that closes like that, this and this, and that holds together with the magnet. And then for extra protection, we put the elastic over there. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's part of the 13 days of Halloween inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.